Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine here for sale today. This one is a 1999 Mercury 50 horse 4-stroke. This is a 20-inch shaft, remote. This one came back 180 psi on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the aluminum prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new gear case lube, new power head oil, and the fuel system was cleaned. The carburetors were rebuilt. So all new carb kits in it. Go ahead and get this one fired up here. Tried speaking too fast, kind of got wrapped up in my own words. Got it pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Bring it back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Go ahead and shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call, 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you. Have a great day.